Rabbit.
Hi there. What are you looking for?
I can't find my circle.
Found it, found it. Is this your circle?
This is not my circle. This is a yellow square.
What color is your circle?
It's blue. Come with me to learn more about colors and shapes.
And much, much more.
Hello. Hi, Rabbit.
Hi, Fox. What are you eating?
It's gypsy. It's not healthy. Healthy? What's healthy food? An apple is healthy. And a carrot also healthy.
If you want to learn more about healthy food, come with us. We are waiting for you.
Join our English course.